We can still do the stunts without Skype.
Alright, we have Metro Station. We got their ass kicked at this one. Alright, so this little guy right here is gonna fly off this blue thing and probably face plant straight onto the mattress, okay? And I'm gonna have to push, so we're gonna do it from a safe distance, alright? Right here. Can it see everything? Yes, alright, so long distance. Alright, now. Alright, hope the camera's ready.
Y'all ready?
Got the beast in action. Dude. Oh, shit. Hell. Fuck. Medic! Oh, God. 911. Got much to say right now, dumbass? He's out. Alright. We'll film you back when we got the medics. But, guy.